Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. How's it going? What's going on? Hope your day's going well, depending on what time zone you're in. But today is tuning day / miscellaneous bullshit day. So the car seems to be running a lot better. It's not smoking. Yeah, so obviously it's very dirty, so I am going to be washing it today. I gotta power wash the engine bay and see where I have to respray the black because this is bullshit overspray. Have to get my fans working. I figured it was this relay right here, but I do kind of want to wire it to a switch, so I did get this little switch. I can put one in my console, just because, you know, I guess it's just personal preference. Like, I always like just having a switch for my fans, so it's like, oh, just turn my fans on, or I'm cruising at night on the highway, I can turn them off, whatever. So I have to get my fans working and wire it to a switch. I have to wash my car. Got this windshield molding that came with the car. Only problem is, usually when they do this, they do it when they seal the window so it can stick and be deep in there. However, the window's already sealed, so what I'm going to have to do is cut off this section of it and probably like double-sided tape the thing down so it lays flat, because right now obviously it's not going to lay flat. I have to wire in my heads-up display, by the way. If anyone's wondering, just go on eBay, search heads-up display, and buy the one that looks like this. Right now, just to test it out, I got it hooked up to the cigarette lighter, but I'm just gonna cut this wire and wire it in with my gauges. So there's a little power wire right there, and it just comes with this thing right here, which is, it's GPS based, so you can use it in any car. You don't need OBD2 for it. And yeah, I took the stickers off the window. There's a crack in the window, not sick, but comes with this little thing right here. Turn it on, and there you go. It's pretty bright in here, and you can see it just fine. So that's dope. I actually cut the reflector thing a little bit, so it's just like, it was kind of like long, like it was like, it kind of like went up to like here. I didn't need all that, so I just cut it small, just so like where I'm sitting I can see just the gauge pretty much. It also has an option for kilometers. It has an option for directions, like north, south, east, west, whatever. Okay, Slap, you need to chill out. But yeah, I'm going to be wiring that in. And also, I have to raise that side of the car, which both rear coilovers are maxed out, but I think I have more preload on that side because that side is higher than this side, and I nicked my wheel right here yet last night just driving it around, so got to raise it up a little bit. So all of that, and then hopefully when Ronnie gets out of work, hopefully he has time, we're going to do a little street tuning. I don't know how much of that I could really film because I'm going to be driving and he's going to be tuning. But I'll show you like the before and after, like AFRs while driving and whatnot. Just trying to get it safe. Not obviously not going for power. Not going to be like doing timing and all this other nonsense. I also want to do something about this because I don't like the red wire. Someone mentioned in the comments. I'm like, I know. I just didn't have another wire, and you know, actually I had another wire, I had another ground wire, but it was smaller gauge. I'd rather have a bigger ground, you know, but yeah, that's what we're doing, and let's get to it. Oh, and I also have to bolt the side skirts on, so I have to get like some, actually I think I have some self-tappers. I'm just going to bolt it to the stock side skirt, and should be alright. Got that working with the key. We're mint there. Okay, so I have the two suspected wires. Moment of truth. Haha, more like anti-cruise button, am I right? Stoplights. Alright. Everything's there. You know, no one will ever know besides every one of you guys. Okay. So, spray down this damn engine bay, and then spray down the whole car. Much better. Swept them up a little bit, and you can see now they're kind of like facing the right way, and straighten them out. So should be all good. Even re-welded the hanger, nice and sturdy. Nice. All right, this side's raised up. The skirts are bolted on. Yeah. Let's check this out. Now we're matching the other side. Mint. All right, so Ronnie said a little bit after 7 he's gonna come through, help me tune it. Well, not help me tune it, but tune it. I have my high beams on because I got some condensation in that light, because I think it happened when I sprayed the engine bay. All that steam from like the water hitting the turbo kind of got in the back of the housing, because that's the only place that it could possibly have got in. Everything else is sealed real good. But I'm going to run to freaking Walmart. Thing's fucking tight. Don, are we cleaning the shop right now?
Right now?
Nah, I'm just kidding.
No, I was gonna say, I just got cleaned up and shit.
I didn't. I'm gonna go wash my hands. I don't think I've introduced you to the channel yet.
Hey.
This is my friend Nick. I haven't seen him in like since H2O.
Yeah, about a year.
Since
about
H2O.
a year, yeah, a year ago. All my cars are broken.
Done.
Hell no, dude. What's up, dude? Don.
I just got here.
I could see Mitt right here on the red.
Yeah.
My
How's your
car.
fucking paint get up here, bro?
Open air, basically.
I just got here.
Yeah, Don just got here. That's like a daily thing.
Yeah, it is.
I'm like
Oh,
at the
yeah.
end of the video, I'm like, yeah, Don just got here. But this isn't the end of the video. I don't know how much I could film because Ronnie's tuning my car and I'm driving it and no one's in the back seat. I don't think
I'll stuff my ass in the back seat.
There's no fucking way.
Tell me. I'll lay down. Your
Your ass would be on the sex blocker, like.
There's no sex blocker. It's 96 console, dude.
Oh,
Fuck's sake, dude.
shows how much I know about Prelude.
So obviously I can't film much, and I don't know how much number punching you want to see on here, but Ronnie's been working his magic. Hashtag RonTune. Hit him up for your shit. If your cars aren't bunk like mine. But everything seems to be going pretty damn good. Like, the car drives nice. These are Ronnie's words, not mine. Like I said, I can't really film too much of this, so I just figured I'd update you guys. As for the head gasket, I just have my heat on, and this thing has not gone past friggin'. It's not even gotten up to halfway yet. So I think the head gasket's good. I'm also loving this heads-up display. I'm like a 240 but brighter. Yeah. So yeah, I think we're mint. We did some like back roads cruising, like low RPM, mid-range tuning, and then you were just doing what? Just fuel and timing a little bit, or just mostly fuel?
Just fuel.
Okay, so we were doing fuel. Make sure like don't go lean, because I had a couple lean spots before, but now it feels nice and smooth. And then we did a highway like cruise RPM / basically just make sure I'm not burning a shit ton of gas when I'm on the highway going H2O. there's your guys' freaking update, you know. Oil gauge still reading 0, but I'm clearly getting oil. So, yeah, I'm hyped. This will be good. I can finally drive this thing home. Drive it to Cali's, drive it home. It's gonna be lit. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. I took it to, what did I take it to? Like 6K? I think I revved it out to 6.
It was like 5,000.
5? That was only 5?
Yeah, 5,000.
Dude, I'm so
5,200.
I'm so bitch made with this car, dude. Like, I don't want to beat on it. Like, I saw fire coming out of the wastegate and let off. I was like, okay, that's enough. It looked fucking sick, but I was like, that's it for me. But yeah, this thing, I don't want it to see any higher than friggin' 6, so yeah. Also, Ronnie refused to burble tune it.
Yeah, definitely not doing that.
He's not fucking doing it. No pops for me. Alright, we good though. We're about to go back to the shop. Friggin', I think that's a wrap on this shit. Easy peasy breezy. It's going good. Laptop mans. What, dude? What do you need?
About your boy.
Oh god.
What happened?
One of our friends is funny. He's just bugging out. Yeah, dude, it runs mint.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so good to
Dude,
hear.
it hit 8 psi. I only have a 6 psi spring in it.
It was moving.
It was friggin'
How'd
going.
it feel?
Felt good.
Felt like better than it has
Your
ever.
AFRs are good?
Yeah, Ronnie made sure of all that. So
I'm so happy.
I can officially drive this thing and not be scared to drive this thing.
Sick. Don't clap your downpipe.
Don't flatten my downpipe.
Don't clap.
I'm probably still gonna clap my downpipe, even like I'm gonna go against your recommendation.
Remember the Evo downpipe?
And she's like, wait.
All right, well I'm about to head out. I can't even say that anymore, dude. The car runs beautiful. I love it. No smoke. It's just a good time. It's an enjoyable ride. But I will update you guys when I get home, just to say bye, because yeah. So see you guys when I get to my house. That's for my guys talking smack about copper spray and my Cometic head gasket. I'm fucking underheating. I've been driving for 40 minutes. I'm on the way to Cali's. It's 12 o'clock and 50 degrees out. And 50 degrees out, and I'm underheating. Alright? I want to hear shit. Alright, well, I'm home. One piece. You know, everything worked out pretty damn good. Didn't even come close to halfway. Besides, literally right now, just, you know, first gear up a shitty road. But we're met. So I guess that concludes this. She's tuned for the most part. We didn't do VTEC because, guys, I friggin', I saw fire come out of the wastegate, the dump tube in the front, and apparently Ronnie said I didn't even get to 6K, and I like let off, dude. That's how bitch I am with this car. So yeah. I don't want to friggin', you know, yeah, you don't have to really explain it. We're gonna tune VTEC at some point, probably on a dyno, but as for right now, dude, I don't know. I really friggin' like this thing, dude. I know you guys can't see it on camera. Whatever. I don't know. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. And we're going to be doing some more stuff. Probably on this, I believe. Maybe. I don't know. Bye.